What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another tech accessory video for you. This time we're going to be taking a look at the Soft Mint iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case. We'll be taking a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. I think it's one of the best colors for an iPhone Pro series you can get with this newest lineup of phones. So before we get into this, if you like tech-related content, if you like tech commentary, iPhone accessories, reviews, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got tons of content like that on the channel. We got tons coming. If that's something you're interested in, I think you would enjoy being a part of the community over here on the channel. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into the review of this case. So first, we will set the iPhone 15 Pro Max over to the side. Here we have it. If you are used to Apple Silicone, if you've got one of their cases before, it is the basic branding that they have. There's nothing special about this box, all right? However, I do like Apple Silicone. I do a video on my channel from last year, 2023, some of my top cases. The Apple Silicone did make the top 5 for me. I like the texture. I like the feel, the minimalism of it. I think I had the orange sorbet or orange sherbet color was one of the ones that made the top 5. And so Apple typically comes out with some spring, bright colors, some different colors. So I was interested in trying out the Soft Mint. All right, so if you look at the box, we've got the image of the case on there. Nice little cutout. We've got iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case with MagSafe. Nothing on the side there. Nothing on the side there. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the top. All right, and on the back, we've got iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case in different languages. Shows you kind of how to quickly install it there. Nothing too crazy. This is the basic Apple box. Now, the one thing you'll see that's missing is the pull tab. I like to try all my cases. So even though this is a case that I've tried many times with different iPhones over the years, I wanted to try this case before making this review. So no different here. So I've already pulled the tab to get this open as proof there. We'll go ahead and slide the case out. We'll do the first look without the phone. So Apple pulls it in on this little kind of conveyor belt style with the box. Kind of pull it out, and it's attached to a kind of a fake cutout. Kind of helps it retain its shape in the box. I'm sure it probably has some type of cushioning for when it's maybe getting mailed or shipped to kind of protect the case from getting damaged. So it comes in this little slider. All right, we'll set all this to the side. Nothing crazy about this at all. There's nothing really on the back of that either. So we'll set that to the side. We've got our basic Apple papering here, EU, UK compliance, bunch of stuff that if you want to take a read of this, multiple languages, things like that, but nothing really important in here, no instructions, warranty, anything like that. So first glance without the case, we've got our Apple Silicone that we know and love. We've got our Apple branding right here in the middle. We've got our kind of plastic silicone textured camera protector. We've got our power button, volume up and down here on the side. We've got our speaker cutouts and USB-C. Now this is a smaller one, so I've seen this in the past with the silicone. The bigger USB-C chargers don't tend to fit with these, so I believe that's going to be the same issue. I do have a charger that we can test and some MagSafe accessories, but we've got our cutouts there at the bottom. We've got our power button. Nothing crazy on the top there. And then on the inside, we've got our MagSafe ring. We've got the iPhone branding there, if we can see that. And then we've kind of got like a felt scratch-resistant material on the inside to protect the iPhone when you're putting it in and out of the case. So first glance without the iPhone, a Soft Mint. It's very light. We'll see how well we're able to pick that up on the camera. But this is the Soft Mint. It is very light. All right, it's not super green. It is more of kind of a creamy color. The soft is true to the title. It's very light mint green, but I do like it. It accents the natural titanium iPhone pretty well. So we'll slide in the iPhone. We'll do the sandwich view here. We'll slap this in. All right, Sweet. And then we'll do one more. I'll slap it in again from the front so you guys can see the Apple has the little circle ring when you put their MagSafe accessories on. It's pretty cool. So as we smack this in, we should get the little circle, and it actually circles the color of the case. So mint, soft mint, circle there. Pretty cool. So first look with it in the case. As always, you can feel the weight of the iPhone. It's a nice sturdy case, but it's very soft on the sides, which you're going to get with the silicone. All right. When we look on the inside, it's a tight, snug fit on the sides, the corners. All right. You're going to get that classic Apple design there. Nothing different about this from previous models. All right. We've got speaker cutouts. We can see how flush that sits there. Power button, action button, volume up and down. Take a look at the camera cutout, a little bit of that lip that you get in there, protection. So you do get a little bit of a lip, but again, they keep it as minimal as possible. Nothing too crazy. All right. And then I'll let you guys hear the buttons clicking on the side. Pretty tactile from my experience with Apple. They've got some pretty good buttons there. So again, tactility, if that's a thing you're looking for, the Apple Silicone Case is going to give it to you. Now, one of the downsides that you might say with this case is the price. They are a little bit expensive. Apple's accessories never are cheap. Even the additional accessories for Macs, iPad, chargers, cables, the backs, everything that Apple kind of sells individually is nothing ever is really cheap. They kind of rest on that luxury price tag for most things. So gonna run you about 50 plus bucks plus tax depending on where you live. But if you're looking for a silicone case that's going to be pretty durable, it's not going to have a ton of crazy bells and whistles. The Apple Silicone Case is usually a pretty good case. Now, I'll beg to differ that there is a competitor potentially. I have a video on my channel. The Cloud Series case by ESR is a silicone case that is under 50 bucks. It's cheap, but it has great magnets, has a great silicone feel. You get a couple different colors with ESR, and so if you're not wanting to spend big bucks on Apple's version of the silicone case, there are some other options out there. Okay, so let's get to some accessories. We'll just test MagSafe. We come to expect that Apple is going to have good MagSafe, but let's test it out, give you guys an idea of what their strength is, and then just an idea of what some different products might look like on this Soft Mint. So we'll start with the Apple MagSafe wallet. I have it in black. All right, we'll put that on there. All right, we'll get the shake test there. That's not coming off. Apple to Apple products, magnets, really strong. But what I really want to showcase here is if you have any black accessories, black wallets, black MagSafe, pop sockets, or things like that, black is going to go really well with the Soft Mint, and it's going to go well with that natural titanium. It's kind of just that neutral color in the back and the camera lens, and you really let the case and the accessories kind of pop off for you. So black looks really good. All right, the number one wallet I've been using recently is the ESR MagSafe wallet. I have a video of that up on my channel as well, but we'll test this one out. All right, holds up to about 3 cards on there. Strong magnets. ESR has some really good magnets. All right, the case, Apple, true to its name, is holding up with the MagSafe. But the cool thing about this wallet is you can pop it and it creates a loop, so you can then hold your device like this, kind of like a pop socket, and then it has the ability to set it up for landscape viewing. So again, you've got the Apple MagSafe wallet, which is kind of in the premium for Apple, pretty expensive. This wallet here is pretty cheap. You can check out my video. Check out the link in the description of that video if you're interested in this ESR wallet, but pretty good quality, multiple purpose. Again, it's black, so it matches with a lot of cases that I have, and it matches with the iPhone if you want to go caseless. All right, but good MagSafe strength there. Another couple items we'll test. I have a phone grip by Double. All right, kind of a sleeper product, but this thing acts as a stand and a finger grip. All right, but we'll test the MagSafe here. So even third-party accessories are working. You're going to have confidence that the MagSafe is going to work. All right, we'll showcase a little bit what this can do. You can set your device up vertical, landscape. You can even go all the way, and you could hang this on something, put it this way, and you could hang it. So pretty versatile. I like this because it's minimalistic. It's black, so it's kind of sleek. It feels premium, has that metal feel, and then it's just versatile. Finger grip on the back for some ergo. Here you can put your finger here. Looks nice with the Soft Mint. All right, so that's 3 different accessories, 3 different passes on the MagSafe magnets from Apple Silicone. So again, you just know, come to expect that MagSafe is going to work flawlessly with iPhone and accessories. All right, and the last thing we'll test, the flush cutouts at the bottom. We will test. I will be using the Kadabe charger here, and I'm able to get that in. So this, I would say, is one of my small to medium chargers, and it's able to fit in there. Let's see if I can do another kind of close up. You guys can see it go in. It goes in. All right, it's in there. So medium to small is going to work really well when it comes to USB-C on the iPhone. Anything thicker, I have an Anchor charger that's a little bit thicker around the base. It's not going to fit in there. Apple has a smaller kind of form factor for that cutout. But I do a lot of MagSafe charging, so it's not a big deal to me, but sometimes I am on the go. I'm at my office, I'm traveling, or I'm at events, and maybe I don't have access to MagSafe, and so you're going to need chargers. So just keep that in mind with Apple Silicone. You're going to need the small to medium, or like Apple likes to keep it, their charger that they sell or that comes in the box. If you have one, those are going to be your go-to chargers to use. So there you have it. There is the new Soft Mint Case colorway for the Apple Silicone for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'll leave links in the descriptions below. You guys can snag these from the Apple Store. You can get these from your local electronic stores. They sell these on Amazon. You can get them wherever. I'll drop the link to the Apple Store for you guys to go ahead and click on and check that out. They've got some other cool spring colors, some more vibrant colors. But I have plenty of cases that have vibrant colors, so I wanted to go with something a little bit more neutral that I could still show off. Feels good in the hand, light, minimalistic, and it's Apple branded. Again, you're really paying for that Apple logo on the back, and so that's what you got. So I like this case. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about Apple Silicone. All right. Like this video if you found it helpful. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tech-related content. That's what we do over here on this channel. Help you guys make informed decisions on the tech in your life by reviewing and talking about tech myself. So let me know. Jump in the comments. That's it for me, guys. Like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.